I'm Joe Ironside, and I'm here on Aberystwyth's North Beach doing fieldwork for the Ecostructure project. I'm collecting snails, and the snail species that I'm interested in is this one, Phorcus lineatus, the common topshell. Now this species of snail reaches the northern limit of its distribution in Wales. It's prevented from living any further north by the cold winters, which it's unable to survive. In recent decades, the warming climate has enabled this snail to live further and further north. However, this range expansion may be now meeting a barrier in that the north coast of Wales is made up mainly of soft sediment, sand and mud. However, humans may have provided these snails with a way of overcoming this obstacle, because although the natural habitat of these snails is rocky shores, like the one behind me, snails are also able to live on artificial hard structures such as this wall. And there have been many such structures built along the North Wales coast, including sea defences and wind turbines. Now what we will be doing is examining the populations of snails living on these structures to see whether they are establishing viable genetically diverse populations, and hence whether these structures could be enabling snails to use them as stepping stones to cross these areas of unsuitable soft sediment habitat and established populations on the natural rocky shores further north.